Hi, I'm Celina and this is a quick and easy video to show you how to make a nice simple hummus dip. Okay, so just into a small food processor, I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons or so of lemon juice. I'll put 3 in, and you can always add a bit more if you want to. I'm putting in a really small clove of garlic just because I don't want the garlic flavour to be too overpowering for my little girl. I'm also going to put in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And just to make it nice and creamy, before you drain the chickpeas, if you just keep some of the liquid or just add it straight in as I'm doing, I'm just going to put a little bit of the liquid in just so that it's nice and smooth and creamy. Alright, so I'm just going to drain the chickpeas and rinse them. And now I'm going to add some tahini, about 1/3 of a cup. And then we're going to blitz that up before adding the chickpeas. Okay, so just adding the tahini to the processor, and for a little extra flavor I'm just putting in some sweet paprika, about 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend that up until it's smooth before adding the chickpeas. We're just mixing, sweetie. Just mixing, darling. That's all. So Poppy doesn't really like the sound of the food processor. She gets a bit upset. So I'm just going to finish off the rest of it. So I've blended the first lot of ingredients up until they're smooth, and now I'm going to add in the chickpeas and I'll blend that up as well. I might just get Poppy out of the room so that she doesn't get frightened. I've just given it a bit of a blitz. It's quite thick, so I'm just going to add some cold water to it and continue on blending just until it's nice and smooth. Oh, sweetheart. Okay, so I've finished mixing the hummus in the processor. It's nice and smooth now. Quite a nice creamy consistency. You can have a little taste test. That tastes good to me. If you wanted to add any extra lemon, you could. I don't put any salt in just because that is for Poppy, and I don't add any extra salt to her diet. So if you wanted to have it for the adults, it'd probably be nice with a little bit of salt, but for the kids, they don't need it. I'm just going to put this into a bowl. It will keep in the fridge for up to 3 days. I do also want to mention, if you're concerned about allergies at all, make sure that you seek the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional before making this dip. Do you want to taste the dip? Lick it. Can you lick it? Poke your tongue out. You're being a baby on the bus. So you can see how quick and easy it is to make a healthy hummus dip at home, even when you've got a demanding child crying and all the rest in the background, you can still manage to make them a healthy snack.